was not recording again. Jesus. I was not recording. This is the second time. Okay. The enemy is a liar. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Spend a Saturday and a Sunday with me. Yeah. Let's get right into the video. These people don't know who I am, asking me to wash meat. Hi guys, so I thought to give you guys a quick update on what is going on. So we're going to make meat pie today. Yes, we're going to make meat pie. We're going to cover some cakes. Mom is going to cover some cakes. I'm going to help her if possible. So the meat pie, I'm handling it. I can't show you guys the full process because it will take time and I need to be really fast. But I'll show you guys the ingredient I'm going to prep when I leave, when I end this Kinisha. I'll show you guys the stuff. So yeah, then after that, after meat pie prepping, then I'll do laundry. I'm washing clothes. I'm doing laundry. Because I'm not saying doing laundry. Normally I have to wash clothes. Yes, I'm going to wash clothes, and after that arrange my room because this room is a mess. I'm going to arrange my room. As time goes on, I'll update you guys. So let's go. We have our diced carrots. We have our diced meat. Our Irish potato too has been cut. I cannot put it. I have to put it inside water. And I have shredded meat that I used a blender to shred. Then we have minced a bit corned beef. Yes, we have corned beef. This is for the sauce alone. Oh, I've not done the dough and stuff like that. But this is just the main part of the work. Yeah.
Records. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me a mouse. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God up.
It's the tangerine Swiss flower air freshener.
This one I got you with the jabata. I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bad. Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. Tell me, what's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and
been through a lot today. how I'm still smiling, I don't know. I've been through a lot. From cooking, washing, cleaning, baking, decorating. Please, are you okay? Are you okay? Meat pie is already in the oven. Yeah, somebody's watching it for me. So, because I cannot even wait again. I want to just relax and watch film. And the film I'm watching currently is Outer Banks. Outer Banks season 4 just came out on Thursday. I don't know when this vlog will be released, so it came out on Thursday. Yeah, so I just want to relax, wind, eat, and just like, you know, have a chill Saturday from 4 p.m. God, I've been through a lot too. Just got my butt. I can't wait to have my butt. Okay. I just finished having my bath, so I want to do my. I'll just, you know, glow up. So I got this airband stuff. I only got it from. After I begged her and begged her, it's for. I think it's for all these skincare girlies. But I don't have any skincare again yet. But you know, I'm buying the things small. Amen. No, I don't have skincare yet, but like, you know, we have to be positive.
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us.
Did I glow? Did I glow up? There's a difference. You know how I looked when I came out of the bedroom, and now there's this subtle glow. Oh, I forgot to use this cream.
So what are you so afraid of? Darling,
Let me a big check. Chocolate cake, sponge cake, then we have the one I already want to eat, and we have meat pie. They're not very late though, oh, because my glory carry weight to the way I support appreciate though. Oh now oh, no go spoiled by his grace though, Mr. Money Worldwide. I got this Sunday. Can you see the detail? the beads and shit. So I like beads, yes. The thing I don't like about this dress is that like in this side, like it's not fitted. But anyways, it's a very cute dress. That's why I went to church today. So my accessories. I'm using this pearl. If you know me, like you know me very well, not surface level, no, you know I love pearls. I'm using this bangle my mom bought for me. Earrings. They're my shoes. These are the shoes I'm wearing. It's from a brand. It's not from a brand. Okay, I can't even see the name of the brand there. Well, they're unbranded. These are the shoes I'm wearing. Can you guys see it? Yeah, cute. Now, dress with me and be get ready with me. So actually style my hair, and I have no idea on how to do that. Go over here.
Lord help me fix my gaze upon the cross. you're in me, nothing can be a loss. I put my face in the dust and declare you're holy. This is the race I run, you're the call before me. You are holy, Elohim, I shall die. You are for me, Elohim, Adonai. No weapon formed against me, Elohim, I shall die. Shall ever prosper, Elohim, Adonai. You are holy, Elohim, I shall die. You are for me, Elohim, Adonai. No weapon formed against me, Elohim, I shall die. Shall ever prosper, Elohim, Adonai. My holy God, you're so kind to me. You broke all my chains and you set me free. You set your only son to shine like the sun so that I could be close and belong to thee. You paid the highest price on the cross to heal the sinner and to find the lost. When I'm in your presence, I stand in awe. Jesus, I live in life for your call. I wanted to die cause I felt like a wreck. I had no intentions of making it back. The enemy didn't stop with the attack, and that made me wonder where Jesus was at. But he came and proved he is God again, and told me that my life was in his hands. My holy God, you are such a friend. I fall on my face and declare, you are holy, Elohim, I shall die. You are for me, Elohim, Adonai. No weapon formed against me, Elohim, I shall die. Shall ever prosper, Elohim, Adonai. You are holy, Elohim, I shall die. You are for me, Elohim, Adonai. No weapon formed against me, Elohim, I shall die. Shall ever prosper, Elohim, Adonai.
Continue to abide in their life in the mighty name of Jesus. With you and your family, in the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of the Holy Spirit. Almighty God, we accept your thanksgiving in the mighty name of Jesus. In Jesus' name we are praying.
Ale, ale, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys. So today, should I just go straight to the point? Excuse how I look. This is how I look, my most natural state. It's a mess, cause yeah, but don't worry, we'll soon do maintain now.
Bro, I've lost my drive. I need to get back on my Zoom.
Let's get right into the video. What's this saying? What's this? Wah, pose for me, babe. Na 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 na, baddies. Baddies, pose for me. Okay, every time on my FYP on TikTok, I mean, thank you, Beyonce. Beyonce. Thank you, Beyonce. I don't understand the trend. Someone should explain to me in the comment section. My YouTube channel. So this vlog is going to. And I'm not like, what am I doing?